Hello everyone, welcome to TechNow Review, and it is the time for our weekly question answer session. In the previous week we have done a top 10 question answer solving session where we have chosen top 10 questions, and from there we have answered several important questions related to your iOS device. This video is the part 2 of it. Here also we have chosen 10 questions and we have tried to answer your question. So let's get into the video and find out solution to the top 10 questions of this week. So this is the first question, which is from Vishnu Sai. My jailbroken success 9.3.3 keeps on randomly respringing from the past 5 days. Yeah, this is really annoying. So when you're having this kind of a problem, that means that you have got some of the Syria tweaks which are the reason behind this random respring. For example, we can name few tweaks. Just check out if you're having those tweaks like Polars, VH9, then Priority Hub. Luglip, I'm not that sure about it, but it might cause the problem. So if you're having that, you can try just uninstalling it. And then Minitime, Oxo, and most importantly Activator, because nowadays there are a lot of complaints coming up that Activator is causing a lot of problem. It's causing respring or crashing any of the applications. Try removing these applications if you're having any one of them, or just try removing any of the application which you doubt, because this random respring is actually occurring because of any of the Syria tweaks which you have recently loaded on your device. So now let's move on to our second question, which is on our video how to fix unable to download app as 9.3.1. So over here from a viewer, that is Bendy Gatsby, he has posted 1 week ago he is having a problem. He says that I tried downloading a hacked Pokemon Go and Tutu app from iOS emus, but when I click done, the app that had an error disappears, and because my date was different, I couldn't open iOS emus to re-download it because nothing works. So basically we can see out of this problem that he is running iOS 10, and that is the exact cause of your problem, because this date trick doesn't work on iOS 10. iOS 10 has patched the date trick, so you cannot use the date trick on iOS 10. So this is why you cannot download the application. Now moving on to our next question, which is on fixed Syria Eraser. This is from Than Dandin. I'm sorry if I couldn't pronounce your name properly. So he has a problem which you can see right now on the screen. Whenever we have this kind of an error, that means first of all we are required to know what device you are using, because this happens when there is no full OTA file for the device or this iOS combinations. This means you cannot use Syria Eraser if you're not having the compatible device which supports Syria Eraser. So if you can just tell us what particular device you're using so that we can help you further with this problem. Moving on, we have this question on our new 10 plus updated tweaks part 2. This is question from Anon Vibi, and he says that I got a warning from Zerol repository for Prism saying it has been reported by community. So should he be worried or not? No, you are not required to be worried of it. If you are trying to add the repository, that is the Zerol repository, and if you are facing something like this, then you do not need to worry about it. Just add it anyway and you're good to go. Moving on to our next question, which is on how to download music, videos or ringtones from Safari browser on iOS 9.3.3. So this comment is from Elvin, and he says that can't download video files. When you press video it starts playing, but there is no option to download it. Over here I would like to say that whenever you're trying to download any video from Safari, be sure that you are visiting a link which enables the download. That means like when you're visiting a link that you want to download a video, that video link should be allowing the download. For example, download a video from this particular website. So you are required to go to that particular website only that enables the download, then only the download option will pop up inside Safari downloader. So if you're visiting a site which shows you a random video which has no connection with downloading that particular video, you won't be able to download that video and there will be no download option available. So be sure to check the link from where you are trying to download the video. So even if you're having further questions on this matter, just feel free to comment again. This is the question on top 30 must-have Syria tweaks. So over here this viewer comments, do you know any tweak that lets you customize the app's layout like we can do in Anchor? It is like he's asking for an alternative to Anchor. So yes, we can do anything basically by using Springtomize. This is the best tweak I have come across. You can also use iBlank. It is also a nice Syria tweak. We have a video which we uploaded on this channel and the link is given down below. So from there you can just check how you can set any of the icons anywhere on your iOS device screen. But that is basically for the non-jailbroken devices. It is an alternative to grid lock, which is similar to Anchor. Any jailbroken device user can use that too. So you can just try that. Moving on, we have this question on Lock HTML4, how to get it for free. So this is from Rishi Shah and he says that my phone keeps going in safe mode. My first and foremost question to you is that did you install any new Syria tweak recently after installing Lock HTML4? So you need to find out that whether you have installed any tweak, because you're having a conflict of tweaks and that is the reason your phone keeps on going onto safe mode. What you can do is you can install iCleaner and you can disable all the tweaks to find out exactly which tweak is causing this error. You have to find out that tweak and you have to remove that from your iOS device, and once you are done doing that, your phone won't be going on to safe mode. And I would like to say that Lock HTML4 doesn't cause any error. It is running smoothly on my devices, so you're not basically having this error because of Lock HTML4, but definitely for any other Syria tweak which you have recently installed. Moving on, we have this question on how to fix 20 plus Syria errors, and this question says my error is when I click the button, that is the PP button, and turn off my iPod, it restarts right away and it doesn't re-jailbreak. Okay, so I have provided a video link down below in the description box. Get into that where you can see how you can jailbreak using the latest Pangu version, that is the latest Pangu jailbreak application. So you have to try jailbreaking using that application and I hope that fixes your problem. If it doesn't, be sure to mention that down below. We'll be helping you further. Moving on, we have this another question on the same video which says that my location service is disabling all the time after I jailbreak, and if I want to reinstall my Syria Pangu app, is needed to be trusted and I can't perform it. So do you have any solution? Yes, we have a solution for that too. You're required to keep a bit of mobile data, because when your device is non-jailbroken and that time when you're trying to jailbreak it using the Pangu application, that time the Wi-Fi doesn't work for some time, and during that particular time you're required to enable the mobile data of your device. So if you're having mobile data, you won't be facing this problem. So keep a bit of balance on your device, and whenever the Wi-Fi isn't working, just switch on to your mobile data and your problem will be solved. And moving on to our last question of the day, which is also on 20 plus Syria errors. I rebooted my iPhone 6s and now the lock screen is showing nothing. And my iPhone is not responsive. I think it is because I pressed the button inside the Pangu app. Please respond. Now here you have to choose between your iPhone and your jailbreak. So if you are trying to keep the jailbreak, what you can do, you can just try rebooting, that is forced rebooting your device by pressing onto the home button and the power button continuously until the Apple logo pops up on your device. And after this forced reboot, you have to check whether your iPhone screen become responsive or not. And if your iPhone become responsive, try jailbreaking it after watching the video that is given down below. How you can jailbreak using the Pangu latest version. I think it won't give you any error. And if the forced reboot works, then your device will be working smoothly. But if it is not working even after forced rebooting your device, best possible way to fix your device is to restore your device. You have to get into iTunes and from there you have to restore your device to the latest iOS version, and that's the only thing and way how you can fix the not responsive iPhone screen. So I hope you are satisfied with the answer, and if not, same as always, be sure to mention that down below. And so guys, this was all about the top 10 questions of this week, and soon I'll be choosing more top 10 questions and I'll be trying to solve the questions next week. So if you guys want your questions to be read out on our videos and you want solutions for them, then just mention them down below with the hashtag I have a question, because that makes it a lot easier to find which questions we can choose and who are having serious problems, so that we can quickly provide a solution to them on our next videos. So guys, that's all in this video, and I hope this one helped you. We'll be coming with more top 10 questions the next week, so stay tuned for that and keep posting your questions. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also to subscribe to our channel. We will be coming up soon with more and more videos, so stay tuned to TechNow Review and keep watching our videos.